So found this little kid not moving in the pool. I don't see any signs of breathing. The eyes are shiny still, so it looks like, but no movement, no tracking. Tried resuscitation, blowing some little CPR, been doing some warming, but I'm having a hard time just setting it down and putting it out in the sun, because it still seems to have, whether that's just an autonomic clinging ability, or this little guy's still got some kick in it. Anyway, gonna stick with me. I'm gonna watch out for it, give it a little bit of time, see if maybe it comes around.